Hey guys, this is Fundo on my show program. Tonight on Uzalo, please like, comment, and subscribe. Nomaswazi refused to give Mondli any more information, while Mondli wants to dig more about the relationship of Pagati and Makwaza family. Nosipho has no one to share Muzi first kick with. Nosipho goes against her belief to seek a help. She goes on Mamlambo to ask about the relationship between her and Kazmulo, and Mamlambo make it clear that they have good relationship, but there's some disgust and dispute between them. While Mzimba still from Mbacha, Konzi Enga lead him to a drastic measure. He goes to K Macha FM and fight with Mtambisi, but the security stop him. The looming NY party is the talk of the town. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.